Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do follow the page. So Agnes Swancho, who has been dubbed as Rosemary Ndlovu Light after she had reportedly deleted most of her family members in order for her to receive live cover policy money, you guys. Agnes also appeared on an old episode of Moja Loves Mamazala where she had taken her in-laws and said that her in-laws are accusing her of deleting her husband for money, which of course later turned out to be true. Not only that, you guys, she deleted her own child who had helped her in writing to the show so that they can talk to her in-laws, who were at the time accusing Agnes Swanto of doing the deed. Mamazala host Dingaan did this post on TikTok confirming that it is indeed her, Agnes Swanto, who was on Mamazala, and this is what he had to say, you guys. Please check out this video and don't forget to engage with me in the comment section, like and subscribe.
Guys, I'm coming here with a very sore heart. I'm coming here because for a long time I have listened to people on Twitter, not even listened because to be honest, we don't run our show through Twitter. But the people on Twitter have made noise so many times. Mamazala, hey, Mamazala this show, hey, Mamazala that show. Utingani, and Tingani does not take, he always turns around from the people that wrote to him. Tingani, when he gets to the in-laws, he doesn't take the side of the person who wrote. Do you now see why? You people go Twitter, Nena, who've been accusing Mamazala of Tina, when we get there, we don't take people. Do you see now why? There's a woman. People have been sending me videos and everything. This woman was on Mamazala. She came and she played and that woman wanted us to believe that she was innocent. To a point where we believed she was innocent. We actually believed what the in-laws are wrong because every day when a husband is dead, the first person to be accused of killing the husband is the Makoti, blah, 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 nyere, 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 nyere. There you go now. We have Rosemary Part 2. The woman killed everybody. She even killed the girl or the child. She even killed the child that wrote to Mamazala saying, my grandparents are accusing my mom of killing my dad. That person who wrote to us defending the mother, she killed that person too. And when we get there, and Mena as Dingaan, I don't believe her story. And when we get to the in-laws and they start giving me the facts, and they start saying this woman did this and this and this, and I start hearing that the in-laws, they have the facts, and this one who wrote to us doesn't have the facts, and I start saying when we get there, if your story does not combine, I'm not going to take your side. The Twitter people are the first ones to say, yeah, vele, Dingaan is like this, he never defends his people. Just because you wrote to Mamazala, it doesn't mean you are innocent. I'm saying it again. Just because you wrote to Mamazala, just because I came and I'm speaking to you, it doesn't mean when I get to the confrontation, I will take your side if you are telling us nonsense and if your story does not make sense. Just because you wrote to us, it doesn't mean you are innocent. Twitter, I'm asking you, stop making noise. You guys are not there on the field. You guys are not there on the ground when we are chasing these people. When we are sitting down and talking to them, you are not there. You only watch a 30 minutes, 30, not even 30, 26 minutes edited version of the story that we did from in the morning until late at night. And you want to come and tell us how we must do our jobs. Please allow us to do our jobs because we know what we are doing. When you see us not taking the side of the person who wrote to us, it's not by us. It's not a mistake. It's because we know that this story is not making sense. Thank you. I hope this time you have learned. You saw this woman, she has killed everybody, and she came to Mamazala claiming she was innocent. Look what happened now. Just because you wrote to us, it doesn't mean we'll take your side. If you're talking nonsense and if you are guilty, you are guilty. Irrespective. Bye-bye.
One of her family members, Bonolo Madisamang, died earlier this year and her death was ruled to be natural causes, but one of her family members became suspicious and alerted the police. A post-mortem revealed that she was poisoned. Her mother, Brenda Matolo, says her daughter must just confessed. She went to Gauteng. Upon her return, she offered Bonolo a sandwich. She unfortunately fell for it and passed away after consuming the food. I want her to feel guilty and confess all her wrongdoing, said the mother. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me. Don't forget to also share this video and subscribe or follow the page. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.